Tree traversal techniques. What is tree traversal? Tree traversal, it refers to the process of visiting nodes of a tree in a certain order such that each node is accessed exactly once. So if you have a tree of this kind, you need to find some way of visiting all the nodes such that each node is traversed exactly once. So why are we discussing traversal in specific? Because tree is not a linear data structure. Coming to any of the linear data structures, traversal is not a big deal. For example, if you have a linked list, traversal is not a big deal. You know, you start from this, then you will go to the next node, and so on. So there is only one way of traversing and there is nothing special on it. But coming to a non-linear data structure, something like tree, traversal is a big deal because you have many different ways of going through all the nodes. There are different orders of going through the nodes and there are different techniques. So tree traversal plays an important part in tree lectures. So we'll be going in detail through how each type of traversal is done. So coming to a tree of this kind, mainly you can divide traversal into two types. One is depth first traversal and the other one is breadth first. So tree traversal has two parts. One is depth first traversal and the second one is breadth first traversal. So coming to depth first traversal, it focuses and it is useful whenever you want to explore the tree depth first. So in any of the traversals in which you want to go something like this, you want to go deep into the tree, again come back, check all these again. These sort of traversals are called depth first traversals. And what are breadth first traversals? Breadth wise, if you want to traverse through these nodes, then through these nodes. This is breadth first. So these are the two major approaches. Inside depth first, you again have multiple approaches called pre-order traversal, in-order traversal, and post-order traversal. These are three types of depth first traversal approaches. And coming to breadth first, you generally use only one approach, which is called level order traversal. So in level order traversal, you traverse the tree by each level. Coming to depth first, depending on the exact traversal method you used, pre, in or post order, there are slight differences, but in all these the common thing is you will go through the depth of the tree and then traverse instead of going level by level. So in coming lectures, we'll go in detail into each of these traversal techniques and we'll see what is the algorithm in order to go through. We'll see the pseudocode and also we'll understand with a dry run.